Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something really exciting to share with you. Google just dropped a big update. Inside Whisk, you now get Nano Banana and VO3 all working together for free. And the best part, they don't just sit side by side. They actually integrate seamlessly, making the creative workflow smoother than ever. Now, if you've tried tools like Gemini or even Google AI Studio, you'll know resizing images or keeping things consistent can feel like a huge hassle. But with Whisk, that pain is gone. It's super intuitive with built in frame selection and an editing system that makes tweaking your creations fast and simple. So, today I'll walk you through exactly how to use Whisk step by step, and by the end of this video, you'll know how to go from a simple idea all the way to a full animated video in just minutes. Let's dive in. So, first thing you need to do is grab the link in the description below. So, don't worry, it's completely free as long as you have a Google account. Once you're inside Whisk, you'll notice the main workspace. So, right in the center is a text prompt box. That's where you can type out ideas. But here's the fun part. If you click on Add Image, the sidebar on the left expands. So this is your asset hub. You can upload images, drag and drop files, or even just type prompts to generate new assets. Wiz organizes these into three categories. So you have subject, scene, and style. For this demo, I'll upload my own character image. But if you don't have anything to start with, no problem. There's a dice button that generates random subjects. So if you see the dice button right there, that generates random subjects. So it's a great way to spark inspiration if you're stuck. Now let's move on to editing. Once you've got your subject, click the edit button. This opens the editing panel. So I just said the woman is eating pizza. Hit generate. With just one click, Whisk updates the character. Still consistent with the original, but now it's holding pizza exactly the way I asked. That new version can be saved as a subject reference for future use. So the same workflow applies to scene and style. You can upload something you already have, roll the dice for ideas, or type in text prompts. For the subject, I have a girl right here. And for the scene, I uploaded a kitchen photo. And for the style, I uploaded the chef outfit. And then in the prompt box, I just said the subject is wearing a chef outfit and is giving a heart sign. Now, this is where Whisk really shines. You're not locked into awkward dimensions. You can instantly switch between square, portrait, or landscape modes. Compared to other AI tools where resizing breaks the image, here it just works. So if you want more control, check out the settings panel. There you'll find things like seed numbers and a feature called precise reference mode. When this is turned on, your output sticks very closely to the image you uploaded. If you turn it off, and you'll get more variation, but a little less consistency. Now let's generate. So here's the first result. Pretty good already. But after rolling a few variations, you can see how well the system blends the images while keeping the character stable. So everything feels cohesive. And it doesn't stop there. If you want to refine, just click refine and type in what you'd like to change. For example, let's say I want the woman holding Starbucks. Done. Want to give her red lips? So easy. Maybe add a magazine on the table, just type it in, and Wiz handles it in seconds. You can even swap out the entire scene if you want a completely new setting. Once you're happy with the still image, it's time for the fun part animation with VO3. So just hit animate, and it opens the video panel. Here you can add text prompt to describe what your character should do or even give them dialogue. For example, I'll add a line of dialogue right here, and within moments, Wiz transforms the still image into a moving, talking character.
So, do all Gotham rescues end with this much eye contact?
Pretty amazing, right? So Wiz lets you bring in subjects, scenes, and styles. You can refine them, resize them, edit them, and then bring them to life with VO3. All of this happens in one single workspace, and best of all, it's completely free right now if you've got a Google account. So if you
I
found this
love this
walkthrough
Coke.
helpful, don't
Bye
forget to
now.
hit that like button, subscribe to Technic Force, and type the bells so you never miss the latest AI tools updates. So trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. See you in the next one. Introducing Articleize. Turn anything into a quality article with just one click. Be it YouTube video, Facebook post, Reddit post, LinkedIn post, AI content, etc. Get traffic in any niche with content that catches the latest topics, trend, and keywords. It comes with powerful AI editor, works in any language, generates images, create articles from the social web, and easy to use. Create fresh and original articles that Google loves to rank. Post your articles to WordPress or Tumblr with one click. Rank for AI search like Google and ChatGPT by powering your content with Quora and Reddit, and a lot more. So what are you waiting for? Get Articleize now. Just go to getarticleize.in.